Hi guys!
Hello!
Happy New Year's! We are back with another video, so this will be exciting. Today we're going to be filming our what we got for Christmas Disney-wise haul of sorts. So do you want to start with the first item?
I don't really have Christmas items. Most of the things were purchased for her, but I'm just here to help. Okay, so yeah, whatever you want to start with. It's fine.
Okay. I got this. It's so cute. It's Winnie the Pooh from the new Christopher Robin movie, and like you can see all the like details and stuff. It's so cute. Yeah. And saying that same like category, I got this one too. It's a little Snow White one, which is really cool because I was actually talking to her about it because I was like, I really want the Disney Princess ones to collect those, and then my grandma got that for me, so that's pretty cool.
Yes, and we didn't know she was going to get it, so
yeah,
it was cute.
Good.
I don't have anything to show you.
Oh, you want me to do it all?
Yes.
I'm putting you on the spot. And so then we got this. My sister doesn't really like this, so she wasn't very happy about it. I was excited. We've watched it like 3 times. And we got Incredibles 2. It's so good. And then we got ornaments. These ones aren't Disney, but they're Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts, so we decided to throw it in anyway. I got this little Niffler, and he's in the suitcase. It's so cute. I love that. And then we got this one, and it's the Sorcerer's Stone, so the first book. And he's like coming out of it, and it looks so awesome.
We have lots of Hallmark Disney ornaments because we've been collecting those for a really long time since my girls were really little. But yeah, we also got these ones, just Mickey and Minnie.
And I love books. And I love Christopher Robin, if you can't already tell. So I got this, which is really cool. It's the movie novelization. It's pretty thick, so this is going to be exciting to get to read this. Maybe I'll make you read it, too.
I'm not going to read it, but yeah.
Then I got this. It's a little pencil case. So cute. And it's like super spacious.
It's Winnie the Pooh, the Christopher Robin series. So it has London and
bee on it.
Yeah.
Yep. And then got this bag. It's a Loungefly one, so it's from Box Lunch, I think, right? And it's got like all the a map, so it's really cute.
The 100 Acre Woods map.
Right? So yeah, so it looks like the original books and stuff, which is pretty cool because it's.
And the inside's just different and pretty. It's not like the typical. It's more of like a canvas material rather than most of the Loungefly bags that are more like the fake leather. So. Anyway, this one was just different, and she loves anything Winnie the Pooh, so we had to get this as soon as I saw it. I ordered it.
And then we got. Okay, so I already had this one. And I had this one. And she woke me up at like 5 in the morning. It was like, Lydia, they're on the Disney store. We have to go see them.
And that was because Melissa from Pixie Dust and Peaches posted on Instagram that they were back in stock. It was like, seriously, it was like 5 o'clock in the morning. And
it
so
really was,
I went running down the hall, woke her up, and I was like, which one do you want? And she wanted all of them, of course. And I said, well, it was really close to Christmas, and I didn't want her to know that we were going to get all of them. So she's like, I'll just take Winnie the Pooh and pay for it.
And I paid for this one because I was like, I need to.
She bought that one.
His best friend.
But I couldn't leave him. I mean, come on.
It's
so cute.
Can't. And so then, on Christmas, my grandmother comes over with these boxes, and I'm like, I wonder what this could be, because I didn't really
They were
know.
huge. She wrapped them up in
Yeah,
really big
I was
boxes.
like, this is, I had no idea what it could possibly be, but I got Tigger. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, and his arms move so good, and his like little tail, and it's so awesome. And I got Eeyore. So cute. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna hold some for you.
Makes me so excited. Okay. And then, the crowning jewel, we got Kanga. and I was not expecting that because I've only seen a picture of it like since these came out like once because nobody got them because they all like sold out so fast. And so even like when she woke me up at like 5 in the morning, I like came out and we were looking at them and she wasn't even on there.
Mm-mm.
And
I didn't even know they had her, honestly.
I didn't either. I saw like people I saw like a couple of pictures people had posted and I was like, wait a minute, they have Kango? That's awesome. And then yeah, I got it. It was so exciting.
And we didn't get Kango when we got the other 4. I was just up one morning watching a video, and this lady was showing, it was back from summer, but she was showing all of them at the Disney store, and I was like, I wonder if they have Kango now. And I looked, and she just happened to be there. It was also like 5 in the morning, so I ordered it like right away, and it was sold out. By the time she woke up, it was already sold out a couple hours later. So, and we did not see any of these at all at Disney World while we were there.
They said they were there, but they weren't.
Yeah, so now she has all of them.
Early bird gets the Kango. There we go. Okay. And I got this calendar. It's so pretty. It's from Walmart, so go hit up your Walmart for some Disney merch and see they got all this like beautiful artwork on it. It just looks really nice and it is so pretty. And then I got the last couple items. I got this one. It's behind here.
So you want me to hold the other one for
Yes. Ta-da. And let's hope I do not drop this.
You can't tell. I turned it on, but there you go.
Yep.
I'm sure most of you guys have already seen this if you've been to Disney or whatever, but yes, they actually work. And she kept trying to, like, she kept looking at these while we were at Disney World, but I kept trying to, like, you know, push her the other way because I knew that she already had these at home waiting for Christmas. And she wanted these forever, so
like
it was fun to get them.
2 years ago, we went in 2017. I wanted them, and I almost got them a couple times. But I was like, no, they're so expensive. I don't have enough.
Yeah, she didn't want to spend all of her money on that.
But now I got them, so that's exciting.
Is that everything? I think so.
Oh yes, except for one more.
Yes, so we recently turned our garage into a room, so we have an extra space for another tree. So we're going to do a Disney tree next year, and we got this tree from Walmart. Let me show y'all. On the after Christmas sale. So it's this one. Here, come see a little bit closer. So it's blocked with white lights. It was originally $110, but it was 75% off, so I got it for like $25-ish.
Awesome.
So if anybody else wants to do a Disney tree, go hit up your local Walmart and
the theme of the video.
Get yourself a tree. And this is like really not Disney related, but I also got this tree skirt to go with it.
Okay.
Seriously, 75% off. So I think it was like $4. And then just some little like ornaments. We're gonna try to do it like red and gold and silver, and then just whatever. All of our Disney ornaments that we've collected over the years from the Hallmark. We're just going to put them all on here. And we're also going to make the Mickey heads out of Christmas balls that we saw on Pixie Dust and Peach's page. So, yeah, that's pretty much all that we have to show you guys.
Yeah.
And hopefully you like it and you had a very Merry Christmas. And we'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Okay,
bye guys.
Bye.